What's up? Hey, bring it in. Look at that. Stigo. Okay, well, it's portable and it stands by itself. It's fully assembled. Okay. Packaging. Look at that! Wow! Close up.
Like golf bag like that, a golf trolley bag.
Yeah, got the size of a golf bag. Look at that. Where's the pen Scissors. Okay. How do you unfold this? That's the trick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, Stigo! Sweet. Look at that. Amazing quality. The finishing, everything is fucking awesome.
My God, Charlie.
Okay, forgot what they say about. There you go. Wheel comes out. Oh, it's rideable.
Think about that. Never done.
Yeah, it's fixed. Okay, this is the RFID card. Okay, it's not responding. Right one. Beep, beep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that. Oh, there's a kickstand. Okay, it's not bad. So,
Charging its port is here.
let's try. Take off the RFID. Okay. Here, pick one. I don't know. Okay, tactile brakes. Not bad. It's a twist throttle. Not the best. Is there a remote control? I don't think there's a remote control. Oh. What's that? Mirror. Oh, yeah.
Mirror.
That's the European standard. They require the mirror. I don't know how to turn on. It's embarrassing.
No battery?
Yeah, maybe there's no battery. Is there a charger?
No.
Okay, let's charge this thing up. Alex. It's like an e-bike without the pedals. It's so comfortable. Pokemon Go! Here I come!